Ho ho ho, science fans! Today on Science Fun with Austin, we'll be taking a look at whether or not Christmas will burn your house down. First off, we have the dry tree with way too many Christmas lights. Put this on. You can see here we have a string of 100 conventional lights packed into a little dried out pine tree, and we'll see if anything happens to it. Alright, so we had that burning for the lights going for about a half hour and nothing happened. Turns out with modern Christmas lights, at least the mini lights, they never really get hot enough to ignite the tree. So the lights themselves won't cause a fire. However, just to illustrate how it is still a bad idea to have a dried out Christmas tree, we'll show you just how readily it will ignite. Even though the lights themselves may not cause a fire, a dry tree can still be a very significant hazard if some other source of ignition gets it going. Alright, now we're looking at another way Christmas could potentially burn your house down. Will you have electrical problems with your outdoor lights? So here are lights, and to simulate a rainstorm, we will use the sink. As you can see, with intact indoor-outdoor lights, even a lot of water really doesn't do anything. They seal up pretty well. However, let's try a different string of lights here. This one is clearly labeled indoor use only. Let's see if anything happens to it. Okay, so we've seen the wiring string is intact. Actually, this one is probably just labeled that way because it has an open battery case. Let's look at another instance. Alright, for our last experiment with the lights as far as Christmas hazards, we have the conventional lights again, this time with some minor wire distresses. We have them plugged into a ground fault circuit interrupter, so it should trip and shut the lights off if there's a problem. Wow! Amazingly, even with exposed copper wire underwater, there's still not anything visibly abnormal going on with the current flow. Alright, so far we've learned that your Christmas lights probably aren't going to burn your house down. But you should make sure to water your tree, or at least keep candles and other sources of open flame away from it. But, well, it just wouldn't be a Science Fun Christmas if we didn't do this. Merry Christmas, science fans!